So I'm just on our second road, Pattaya City. I'm staying at the Edge Condo. Edge Condo is right there. Sleeping little cat. So right here. It's on the corner of the second road and Soi 13, otherwise known as Soi Diane. So Soi Diane leads all the way to Soi Buakhouw. The beach is one block that way. But a really good apartment, about $55 a night, Airbnb. It's got an infinity pool, it's got a massive gym, very secure. We're arriving now. This is the Edge condos, second road and Soi 13, otherwise known as Soi Diane. And you take this road straight up and you get to Soi Buakhouw. Okay, thank you very much. Alright, the Edge Condo, Pattaya City, corner of second road, and that's Soi 13, otherwise known as Soi Diane. You go straight down there, about 400 meters, you get to Soi Buakhouw. You go that way, about a block at Soi Honey, goes up to Tree Town and Soi Buakhouw. If you take any street that going that way, you get to the beach. It's only about a 5-minute walk to the beach from this condo. Anyway, it's got a rooftop infinity pool, great gym, and great place to stay, Airbnb. Let's go have a look inside. It's got 24-hour security, key card access to get in. They have parking for motorbikes, but if you want to park your car, you have to get a pass from your real estate agent. To get into the building, to get into the boom gate behind me, card access. Oh, the security will let you in. To get into the glass doors here, you need a card access. And to use the elevator, there's also a card access, so it's good. When you check in, you'll get a directions, but you pick up your key from your mailbox and you get a QR code sent to you. On the 25th floor. Okay, so I've just self-checked into the Edge condos. I've already put my stuff away, forgot to film first. But anyway, so you walk in the door, big fridge, washing machine, knives and forks, everything you need for an Airbnb. Plates, bowls, glasses, microwave. All this cupboard space here. Toilet, good size toilet. bum gun, good size shower, overhead shower with an adjustable shower. They give you all the condiments, extra toothbrush, toothpaste, shower cup. Walking into the lounge. Some of these rooms are actually different, so some of them, the bed is near the window and the lounge is this part, and some of them have the kitchen where the balcony area is. Anyway, we'll go to the balcony. So closet space, I've already put my clothes up. Good size TV. You can hook up your Netflix, everything. Good size comfy bed. Wi-Fi, pretty fast Wi-Fi. Most of the places I stayed in this building has got good Wi-Fi. I've come out to the outside area. As I said before, some of them have the kitchen out here, so it actually comes out to here. But you got these doors here, you can block them off. Little couch. Now out here is just like an open balcony, but it's locked. I think that's where the aircon outside unit is. Alright, so you got the good views of Pattaya. You got the Pattaya beach over here. That second road there. Soy Honey is just over here. Got the base condominiums. Now these windows do open. I don't open them, but anyway, we'll open it. So that's the base condos there. Yeah, as I said before, so Tree Town is right there, if you know Tree Town. Hilton's right there. Central Shopping Centre is right here. And Terminal 21 is just over there. It's good, another big shopping centre. Yeah, we're on the 25th floor. Alright, keep these shut. I need to use those. But in regards to the noise, you don't hear any noise up here. And if you did, you could just close these ones too. And if you want good aircon, you can actually close these doors too. Yeah, so Edge Condo, second road, Soi 13, otherwise known as Soi Dan. Airbnb, also on booking.com and Agoda. It's roughly about $55 a night. Airbnb is probably cheaper than Agoda and booking.com for this apartment complex. I have stayed at the condos over here. Base condo. Well, I don't like them. Old. Anyway. So yeah, this is the Edge condo. It's where I usually stay when I come to this place. I'll take you on a tour of the building. It's got a massive pool, everything you need, gym. Alright, talk to you soon. No worries, champ. Right, this condo has 31 floors. The top floor is the infinity pool. Floor 30 is a gym, spa, sauna, and there's another pool there too. Also has a conference, pool tables, and a room where you can chill out, couches, and meet people. Really good. Just met some rude person in the elevator. Just pushed into me. Anyway, you get that here. Right, floor 31. Everything is card access security. Alright, so we're on the rooftop now where the infinity pool is. Over there, Island, good to visit. Walking Street is there. For the infinity pool. Right, you can take the elevator down to the 30th to the gym, but we're just going to walk down. Alright, so you've got Tree Town just over here. The Hilton. You got Shopping Central, big shopping centre. Sporty crop. Spa. Pattaya Beach. Right, this is Second Road. That's where we were before. Video on the street. This area here is like it's like a meet and greet place. Got a pool table. Sit down on the couches, relax. Have a look inside. Alright, you got the gym there, you got everything. It's great. Fully set up, weights and everything. Ping pong. Not that kind of ping pong, but anyway. Sky Lounge. Card access. Gym. As I said, it's fully set up, weights and everything. And you've got the sauna down here. Beautiful. And you have a steam room. Steam room, sauna. Another little lounge area. You've got a new tie. You've got washing machines and dryers here. You've got to pay for them. A water machine to fill up. Put a new tie in the corner. Back to the elevators. Alright, so Soy Diane, and that crossroad up there is Soy Buakhouw. These are the base condos. Stayed there before, not very good. Let's go back. So we got off on the 31st floor. We walked down to the 30th floor. Sauna, gym. And now we're going back to the 25th floor where my condo is. Now I hope you enjoyed that. That's 25, there it is. Yeah, no, this condo is great. Highly recommend. $55 a day. Airbnb is a cheaper option than booking.com. I use, whenever I stay here, I always use these condos. Easy to get in. Where the letterboxes are, that's where you check in actually. So they send you a QR code, and the QR code gets you in the door, and then you go to your letterbox, get your card, and they get check-in details up to your floor and how to get in, how to access. And then you check right in, you don't even talk to anyone. Just go straight into the room. Now, check-in is 3 o'clock. However, I always check in, the key's always there early. I just, you know, today I got here at 12:30, so I checked right in. Anyway, I hope you enjoy, and if you've got any questions or comments about the area or the Edge condo, let me know, and I'll endeavour to let you know any tips and tricks. All right, enjoy. Uru.